Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will allow you to repair Alpha Mito instrument clusters replacing the LCD with SEI DISP113 replacement. For this repair, you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown, and with the head of the spudger, leverage on the clips to remove the front cover. Unhook from the back and take off the rear one. Inserting the tweezers into the holes on the board, open the FPC connector, unhook and remove the LCD. Fit the FPC of the new display into the connector, which we close correctly. Place and secure the LCD in its housing. Put back the rear and the front cover. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Thank you for choosing Minitools.